Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to send money from the USA to India in 2025. Whether you're supporting family, handling business transactions, or just sending a gift, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely. First off, let's talk about why 2025 is different. With new regulations from the RBI in India and updates from US financial bodies, digital transfers are faster and more efficient than ever. The key methods include using international remittance services like Wise or Remitly, traditional banks like Chase or Wells Fargo, or even apps like PayPal and Zelle for smaller amounts. Step 1. Choose the right method. For low fees and great exchange rates, apps like Wise are fantastic. They use the mid-market rate and often transfer in minutes. If you're dealing with larger sums, banks might offer more security, but watch out for higher fees. Step 2. Compare costs. In 2025, expect exchange rates to fluctuate, so use tools like Z or Google Finance to check real-time rates. Also, factor in transfer fees, which can range from $0 to $50 depending on the service. Pro tip. Avoid weekends or holidays when rates might be less favorable. Step 3. Gather your details. You'll need the recipient's full name, Indian bank account details, IFSC code, and possibly their PAN for tax purposes. Make sure everything matches to avoid delays. Step 4. Initiate the transfer. Log into your chosen platform, enter the amount, select India as the destination, and confirm. Most services now offer biometric security for added protection. Finally, track your transfer. Use the provider's app or website to monitor the status, and it should arrive in 1 to 5 business days. Remember, always double-check for any 2025 specific rules, like potential limits on digital wallets. There you have it. That's how you send money from the USA to India in 2025. It's easier than ever, but stay informed to save time and money. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.